today. So during your introductions, you should tell your name and any which city you belong. And if anything you want to say addition to that, then you can say also. Okay. And please, during your introduction, switch on your camera, everyone. The first roll number here is 101 101.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? And can you see me?
Yes, yes.
So, my name is Amlan Bhattacharya. I'm from the city of Shillong in Meghalaya, Northeast. And my hobbies are music and gaming.
Thank you. Next, 1026
Hello.
26. Absent. And then 1058. Okay, then 111. Okay. Then 134. 1134. Hundred 19. Then 206 on 206. One two three five.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Priyadashini Maharana from Odisha.
Then on 246.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Sanket Kumar Matra from Odisha.
Then on 253. 253.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Myself Saeed Anwar, and I am from Patna. And my hobbies are games and reading books.
And this is next 1268.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Ujeshi Panda. I'm from Parampur, Odisha. My hobbies are painting and singing.
On 315. 315. Then 348.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Suhan Rana Singha. I am from Midnapur, West Bengal.
397.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Harsena. I am from Purnia, Bihar, and my hobbies are playing chess and playing football.
399.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Jadev Mukherjee from Kharagpur.
427.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Shivpreet Padhi. I live in Bhubaneswar. I have a passion for coding and art in general. Thank you, sir.
Then 434.
Good morning, sir. My name is Snehajit Shom. I'm from Kolkata, and my hobbies include weightlifting.
467.
Good morning, sir. I am Arnav Pathal from Baripada, Odisha.
148. 148. Then 1539. 1603.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Shoradip Sharkar, and I am from Kolkata, West Bengal.
165.
This is excuse me, sir.
Yes.
This is 1539. So sorry, my mic was not working.
Okay, no problem. Yes.
Due to network issue. Sir, my name is Ankan Mahanti. I am from Cuttack, Odisha. My hobbies are playing cricket, football. That much. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you mark 1134 also? My mic was not working that time.
Okay. So next roll number 165. 165. Then 1663.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Mriganshu Patra and I live in Haldia, West Bengal.
Okay. 1673.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Priyanshu Sinha. I live in Dhanbad, Jharkhand.
168. 168. 1883. 1885. 1910. 1939. 1985. 2005.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Neeraj Kumar Datta. I am from Assam.
Then 205. 205. Then 207. 2072.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kushal Bera and I am from Haldia, West Bengal.
Then 2110.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Somaranjan Bera from Cuttack, Odisha.
2129.
Good morning, sir. I am Avrudatta from Durgapur, West Bengal.
213.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Nitesh Kumar from Sivan, Bihar.
2187. 2253. 227. 2270.
Good afternoon, sir. I Robin Nagar from Delhi.
5229. That is 229. 2460.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Suvarna and I'm from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh.
2516. 2532.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Siddharth Sinha. I'm from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh.
2540. 2680.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Prayoti Sinha from Patna.
2700.
Good morning, sir. My name is Saksham Sharma. I am from Delhi. My hobbies are swimming and sometimes I like to write. Thank you.
Then 2865.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Samarth Rai. I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and my hobbies include playing cricket and gaming.
Then 2932.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vidyan Agarwal and I come from New Delhi. My hobbies include listening to music, playing the tabla, and playing lawn tennis.
294. 294. $318.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Shriyanshi Chandra and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
320.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Shruti Guha and I'm from Bardhaman, West Bengal.
3469. 5353.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Amisha from Patna, Bihar.
Then 479. 491.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Shivani Vasa from Malvan, Odisha.
567. 575.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Sarthak from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
651.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Riya Raj from Bokaro, Jharkhand.
660.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Shonak Shah from Kolkata, West Bengal.
678. 798.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Hitesh and I am from Puri, Odisha.
809.
Good morning, sir. I am Pranav Nihal from Bhagalpur, Bihar, and I love playing badminton.
811.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Premchand Bharti from Lakhisar, Bihar.
Next 814.
Good morning, sir. I am Priyesh. I am from Delhi.
817.
Good morning, sir. I'm Rishabh. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Rishabh Chakraborty. I'm from Kolkata.
825.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Swami and I am from Patna, Bihar.
832.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Somendu Das from Kolkata, West Bengal.
853.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. I am Dipanjan Kamila from Odisha.
895.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Jayanti Goswami. I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
936. 939.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Abhijit Kumar Jha from Rajki.
957. 959. 960.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Devolina Rai from Virahampur, West Bengal.
992.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Rukman Kumar Jana from Baripada, Odisha.
So I have sent this roll number this 1026. Then
Sir, I'm present, sir. Due to network problem,
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Abhijit Das from Kolkata.
Okay. Then 1 is 111. Then 119. Then 1206, 1315.
Present, sir. Sir, I'm Navneet Kumar. I'm from Patna, Bihar.
Okay. Then 148. 168.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 206 is present. Actually, I joined a bit late, so I was not able to tell you.
Then 1883, 1885, 1910. And then 1939, 1985, 205, 207. And then 2187, 2253, 227, and 229, 229, and then 516, that is 2516, and 2540.
Good afternoon, sir.
2540.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am from Baripada, Odisha.
2700, 2700, and then
Sir,
294.
2700. So introduction, I have done my introduction.
Okay. 294, 3469, 5479.
Sir, 3469.
294 present, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 3469.
Okay. Then 479, 567, 678, and 936, 957. So this is the syllabus of probability and statistics. You know, this is 3 grade subject, and the subject code is MA2011. So this whole syllabus is divided into 3 parts. That is Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. This is Unit 1. Actually, this Unit 1 and Unit 2 is a part of this probability. And Unit 3, this is the syllabus of statistics. And some portion of from Unit 2, like last part, that is point estimation, this is also part of the statistics. Okay. So Unit 1 is the topic.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have two probability. One is discrete and one is this.
Yes, actually probability is classified by 2 types. That is, one is discrete and another is continuous distribution.
So we have two separate subjects, sir. Right?
2 chapters. Can you repeat your question, please?
So I am saying that we have two separate subjects.
No. Same subject.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Subject is, I guess. So in unit 1, descriptive statistics, probability, sample space, events, properties of probability, conditional probability, and independent events. So except this first portion, I think descriptive statistics, this remaining topics you have already studied in 10 plus 2. That is probability, definition of probability, that is classical definition of probability, and then sample space, events, what is events, then properties of probabilities, conditional probability, how to find this conditional probability, and then independent events, and how to check the independency of 2 events or 3 events like this. Okay. And then this thing I think new for you, like this random variable distributions, that is probability distribution. Have you studied earlier what is random variable? Do you know anyone? No? Yes. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so these things is new. That is from this part: random variables, probability distribution of discrete random variables, and binomial. And yes, actually, probability is two types. That is discrete and continuous. And there are some special distribution. Like here for discrete distribution, these are the special type of probability distributions like binomial probability distributions, hypergeometric, and negative binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. These are the examples of discrete distribution. Next, in unit 2, that is continuous random variables and continuous distribution. Some continuous distributions are normal distributions, and uniform continuous distribution is there. So you have to study these two types of continuous distribution, and then joint random variables and random samples. Okay. Joint random variables like x and y. Okay, as for single random variable, this is unit 2, unit 1 and unit 2. That is like x only. And for joint random variables, x and y. And then we define this random samples. What is random sample? And then jointly distributed random variables and expected values. That is expectation of or expected values or mean values of two random variable x and y. And we have to find this covariance and correlation. Is there any if we have to find this correlation between two random variables x and y, and then distribution of sample mean. How sample mean is distributed? We have to calculate that also, and then point estimation. So your statistics part is actually started from here. Point estimation, point estimation, and method of point estimation. Actually, the use of this method of point estimation is if you know your distribution, some parameter is there, and you don't know the value of this parameter, then using this method of point estimation, you can estimate or find the value of this parameter, okay, in the distribution. Next, confidence interval, and this is a unit 3 is fully belongs to this statistics part. Okay, confidence interval, and then testing of hypothesis and statistical inference. That is statistical interval based on a single sample, properties of confidence interval. That is how to find this confidence interval. Okay. That is for any unknown parameters in a distribution, you can find the confidence interval. That is in which interval the parameter lies. You can find using this statistics. Okay, and then testing of hypothesis. That is, you have to check. You can check this any statement. Okay, any statement using this testing of hypothesis. This is the very important topic of statistics. Okay, testing of hypothesis. So these are the topics of probability and statistics, and then we follow these two textbooks. From first one is Probability and Statistics for Engineers and Science by J.L. Dever, and Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Krejcik, 10th edition. Okay, and Dever, this is I think 8th edition. Here T1 means textbook 1, T2 means textbook 2, and you can also follow this. There are several reference books written here. You can follow these books also.
Sir, will this be offline books or just PDFs?
For offline book, I cannot say anything now, but I will share this soft copy today. You can download it from Google Classroom. The soft copy of these books, the first one.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Actually, this probability part, we follow this textbook 1, and for statistics part, we follow this textbook 2. If you see this lesson plan, you can here it is mentioned for which chapter we follow this which book. It is mentioned here in lesson plan. So this first chapter, that is 1.1 and 1.2. The topics are this: overview and descriptive statistics. That is population, sample processes, and pictorial and tabular methods in descriptive statistics. That is how to arrange this different data and yes, in pictorial and tabular, using the pictorial and tabular methods in this chapter 1. So this is the actually part of statistics. So now we skip this portion, that is population, sample, and processes, and pictorial and tabular methods in descriptive statistics. We study these things in the beginning of the statistics chapter. Okay. So in next class we will start from this. That is from probability, the basics of probability. That is from 2.1 and 2.2. So chapter 2 also we follow this textbook 1, and chapter 3 from 3.1 to 3.6 follow textbook 1. Then chapter 4 also, that is for continuous distribution, from 4.1 to other 4.1 to 4.5, and for chapter 5 joint distribution 5.1 to 5.4 we follow textbook 1. And from here, that is from point estimation, we follow the textbook 2, that is from statistics part, 25.2 and 25.3 of textbook 2 and 25.4. Okay. Yes, another thing is we'll have 2 quiz tests, quiz test 1 and quiz test 2, and 3 assignments will be there for this subject. Assignment 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And this number distribution is same as math 2 or math 1, that is 20 marks mid-sem, 30 marks internal. This is activities, quiz test and assignments, and 50 marks end-sem. So this all about this syllabus and textbook. So if you want to know anything, if you have any questions, you can ask now. Anyone?
Sir, which units are included in the syllabus?
Yes, it is expected up to this, I think 4.3.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But it is actually, it will depend on the teacher, faculty. Okay, if someone completed before mid-sem up to 4.3, or someone another one completed up to 3.6, then the minimum will be your syllabus. That is 3.6 will be your syllabus. Okay.
Okay.
So maximum you can assume like up to this. That is 4.3 normal distribution. Any other questions? Anyone? Okay, then in next class we will start from the basics of probability, that is chapter 2.1 and 2.2. So you can leave now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my SAP, it's showing absent.
Now?
Yes, sir.
What is your roll number?
2105135.
1315. Let me check. Okay, it is updated now. You can check.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.